Hey, to set alarm clock on the Realme C67, first of all you will have to open clock application. Next, from here you will have to go into the alarm, and as you can see we've got two presets. So let's say that I want to activate this one, and when I'm click right here I can set the time of the alarm. Below I can set to ring once, or for example set for the repeat. So I want to get this alarm clock every Friday. So I'm gonna set only Friday. Below I can set the alarm name by clicking from here. I can use the backspace and set it for the custom name and click here to confirm. Next we've got the ringtone that we can actually change. So that's how it sounds. So we can use this weather adaptive, but also we can pick ringtones from our device. And also we can use, for example, the music from the Spotify. If you have Spotify on your device, you can do this. Also, we can go to set custom sound from your music or recordings. And after this, you can also turn on and off the vibrations, and you can set snooze. So interval from 5 to 13 minutes, and times like from 2 to even 10 times. And also we can turn it on and off. Next, you can just go back and click done if everything is set up. And as you can see, my alarm clock is turned on. You can actually enable multiple alarms, and if you want to add your own, click right here and just follow the same steps. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.